Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a super exciting unboxing. This is from the new Spring in the City collection from Louis Vuitton. Really hard to get item, which I'm super excited I was able to get it. So let me show you guys. Super cute. If you can guess which one it is, comment down below. But this is just cute in the little dust bag, and I could already see it. How exciting this is. Really cute in this like yellow color. I love the white, how it makes it pop out. Perfect for the spring. Now the zipper looks a little different as the other ones with the usually the gold hardware. Right here, this one just has a little thing of leather, and it opens up like this. Obviously it has the things for the chip, and look, just a really soft yellow interior, which I'm loving. And then same thing, the chain, gold hardware, really cute. And then it just says Louis Vuitton, made in France. Really cute. What do you guys think? Is this something you guys been looking for? I know the price is kind of steep compared to the other ones. The prices did go up, but I still think it's really cute and worth it since it's a little, unique piece that everybody can get. And this one, of course, is made out of leather. So that's cute and it'll last a long time. Just the only thing, probably color, careful not to get any like color transparency. But besides that, it's really cute. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.